guys, welcome to my page. My name is Ngozi and I am the maker of Vesce Body Co, and also Vesce Candle Co. Today I am going to show you how to make candles using this candle maker that I got from Candle Science. This is not a sponsored video, but this is what I am using to start my small business, and hopefully you are following along with me. So I measured out 2 cups of soy wax, and for all of my candles I do use only soy wax right now. And I'm going to go ahead and plug in the machine and start warming up the wax. So when you plug it in, it does light up for the first step, and that is to pour your wax. Alright, and then you push the button to start the warmer. While the wax is melting, I'm going to go ahead and prep my jar and put a wick inside of it. And then I am securing the wick with this wick holder. And let's take a look at the wax while it is melting. Now that I have my jar prepared, the wax is still melting, I'm going to go ahead and measure out some of the fragrance oil. All right, let's take a look at the wax. So I have this mermaid mold that I may use as the tail topper, and then I'm also going to be using some pearls for pearl sprinkles, just to sprinkle on the top of the candle. So this light indicator means it's time to start pouring the scent. So I'm going to go ahead and pour that now. Pearls fit for mermaid. So this light indicator means that it is ready to pour into the jar. So let's go ahead and do that right now. First, I'm going to go ahead and pour a little bit into this mold, and then I'm going to pour the rest into this candle mold container. All right, so while I am waiting for the wax to cool, I'm going to go ahead and clean up my container and then also clean up the workstation.